Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿平哥 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And today, let's see, should Leo sing or teach us a nursery rhyme?
我最近喉咙不太好，我们还是童谣好了。
还在躲，好吧，童谣就童谣吧。Been trying to get Leo to sing, but he's still not prepared. So how about a nursery rhyme? 好，今天教的童谣是什么呢？
好，今天要教的童谣叫做胎番薯。
胎番薯，番薯就番薯嘛。那我们要听听大番薯到底发生什么事情。
好，胎番薯真糊涂，好色难做唔脱熟。
完了，这一句话就已经不好了。
对，是不太好。
这句话是什么？大番薯，然后
真糊涂，
真糊涂 ，OK。然后好吃懒做不读书，是不是 ？Okay, so Big Yam, which is referring to a person, he is really silly, he's lazy, he doesn't like to study. 接下来呢？
唔愛酸，唔愛醋，冇頭冇腦冇足，
又唔會，然後又沒有東西，他缺很多東西
就什麼都沒有啊，就不會算數，然後也沒頭沒腦，又沒有眼睛。
Okay, so the second line of this nursery rhyme, again about Big Yam. He doesn't know math, he doesn't know how to calculate, he doesn't think too much, alright? 好，那接下來呢？
明明沙果講起涼，明明貓公講起苦，明明快菜講起蟲，明明菜瓜講起譜。
明明什麼講成什麼，對不對？
是
哦，比如說裡面有提到什麼？
裡面有講到傻狗，就是蛇。
蛇。
看到蛇呢，就會以為是龍。
OK， 好，傻傻的 OK。
對，明明看到貓咪就講說是老虎。
哦，這個有可能會發生的，對不對？可是就傻傻分不清這樣子。Okay, this last line behind here is about this character, Big Yam, who doesn't know how to differentiate things, you know? He says that a snake is a dragon, and he calls a cat a tiger. 這讓我想起蔡依林的歌，老虎。老鼠傻傻分不清楚，
我知道。
對啊 There you go. Again, a very cute and interesting nursery rhyme about Big Yam, 也就是大番薯。怎麼說？
胎番薯，
胎番薯。OK， 我們請 Leo 呢再講一次這個童謠。
胎番薯真糊塗，好生難做唔脱熟，唔愛酸，唔愛醋，冇頭冇腦冇足，明明沙果講起涼。明明貓公講起苦，明明快菜講起蟲，明明菜瓜講起譜。
Hope you enjoyed it, and that's it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺自細張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.